It's Battlbox time. When I hold it up like this, it seems like a great big box. When I pull it back here, it's not so big, huh? There's a lot of cool stuff in this box. This is mission 43. We're gonna take a look and see what's inside. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. Folks at Battlbox were kind enough to send me their Mission 43, the EDC 3.0 box, and so I can show it to you, and that's what we're going to do. So, as you can see, this is a very small box compared to some of the other ones, and when I saw that, I was like, sometimes that's a good thing, sometimes not. In this case, well, I'll let you decide for yourself. So real quick, I'm going to keep this to like as short as I can. Battlbox is a subscription box that has different levels of subscription. Each level costs a little more and you get a little more stuff. My goal in making these videos is to show you what's in here. I've gone out on the old internet and found out what you can buy the same stuff for at street prices, so to speak, as close as I can get, so you can make an informed decision as to whether or not this is something you want to spend your money on. There you go. So let's take you down the old stump top. We'll see what's in this month's Battlbox Mission 43 EDC 3.0. Okay, here is Battlbox Mission 43 EDC 3.0. So let's just see what's in here. Now, first of all, yours won't have this in it. This is my list where I've gone out on the old internet and mostly Amazon to see what I could, what you can buy the stuff in here for at street prices, so you can compare. So first of all, every Battlbox comes with a little sit rep card, they call it. And basically it just explains their thought processes behind all the items, tells you what's in each item, what's in the box at each level, and their prices, the value they've assigned to it. They're kind enough every month to send me their Pro Plus level, which is the top tier subscription, so you can see what's in what the maximum stuff you get was. So, but we're gonna start out. I'm gonna put this aside here. And I've got my my old stump tops looking pretty ragged here, so I got some cedar shingles on top of it to try to help make it stand out a little better on camera. So anyway, the first level is basic. The basic subscription level is $24.99 a month, and their goal is to provide about double that value in stuff. So let's just talk about what's in here. The first item in the basic level is a very cool item. I first saw this, I think, from Chris Tanner's website, Prepared Mind 101. But it's a Speedy Sharp, made in the USA, and it's what it is. It's a carbide knife sharpener, so it'll do a good job of putting a rough edge, if you got a really banged up knife. But it's also really good for a ferro rod striker. It's really hard. It's a carbide edge on this thing. They're giving this a $9.95 value. This exact one on Amazon is actually $11.99, so pretty good value there. So that's the first item in the basic box. The second item is something that I reviewed on the channel a couple of years ago, and it's really cool. And it's a lighter, bro, and it's like a little case that fits around a big lighter, and it's got a pair of scissors in it. It's got a blade in it. It's got a little screwdriver. And it's a poker. It's just really cool. It's got a bottle opener. And this stuff really does work. And I'll put a link to my video right up there that I did. You can check it out for yourself. A lot of people made fun of this because they said it was a pot smoker's tool. But I tell you, to me, I usually carry a lighter anyway with my gear. It just seemed like a really good way to have a couple of extra blades and extra tools that they really come in handy. And they really work well. So there's that. They're giving that a $13.99 value. On Amazon, I found it for $10.77. Next item is from another good Georgia company, which is really cool, and it is the Battltac free key system. And what this is a set of little key rings, and what's cool about them is you don't have to break your fingernails trying to pull them apart. They're made specially so that you can they got a little toggle in them, so you can actually get your keys on and off without messing your fingers up. Pretty cool there. They're giving us a $6.49 value. Found it for $5.68 on Amazon. And then the next item is the Battltac BMQR, and let me find that because it's pretty cool too. It's a magnetic quick release key ring, and this one looks like a 380 shell, which is pretty cool. And so you put your keys on here and you put another ring on here, maybe one of these cool rings, and then it's got a magnetic crook release. So if you want to take your car keys off, or your house keys off, or whatever, for valet or just for having in your pocket or whatever. I mean, I usually don't carry anything but my truck key with me. I leave my other keys locked up. So there's that. They're giving that a $16.95 value, and I actually found this one on Amazon for $19.99. So pretty cool there too. Finally, there's another item. It is called the Battltac D.U.T, Daily Utility Tool. And Battltac is actually a sister company of Battlbox, so couldn't really find this on Amazon anywhere, but I just want to show you this. I think it's really cool. It's basically just a little utility blade in a little aluminum housing here, so you don't have to, you know, mess up your regular EDC knife, which some of us carry, a little nicer knives, to just open boxes and cut string and whatnot like that. It just takes up very little room. You can put it on your keychain or whatever. Pretty cool, I think. Just a cool little idea. A good way to have little utility blades. You can replace those blades very easily with just any kind of a little X-Acto knife style blade. They're giving that one an $11.95 value. I couldn't find it anywhere else because again, it's a Battlbox kind of exclusive product, so we're going to go with that value there on this particular item. So that brings their total stated value to $59.33. I came up with Amazon pricing, except for this one, was $60.38. So more than double what you'd pay for the basic at $24.99. The next level is the advanced level. It's $49.99 a month plus shipping, and in the advanced level you get everything in the basic plus some more stuff. This month the more stuff. First one is a really cool item. It is the Olight S1 baton flashlight, and this is a nice little flashlight. I have reviewed this on the channel before, and it comes with a CR123 style battery. It is a 5-year warranty. It's a total of 500 lumens, just a really nice little small compact light, and they're giving us a $44.95 value. That's what it costs on Amazon, so pretty cool there. Olight is good stuff, 100%. And then the next item on the advanced level is from Exotac also, and this is a Battlbox exclusive, and they're calling this in the EDC roll, and it's basically a little pouch. It's got a leather. Is that leather or pleather? It might be. It's kind of suede. I don't know. It's either suede with fabric backing or it's pleather. I think it's suede, but it's just a little tool roll, and it's got Velcro all over it. It opens up there, opens up there. And you can put a whole bunch of stuff in there. You can put knives in there. You can put gear in there. It's got a little packs here. You can put first aid in there. Anything you want to put in there, really, any kind of stuff. And it goes into a pretty compact little package, and with a buckle on it. And you can actually run your belt through there if you want to, and buckle it and use it for a belt loop. Just a pretty neat little way to keep some of your gear intact if you want to carry it in a backpack, or just keep everything kind of compact that you might need, whether there's knives or any other thing you want to keep organized. And they're giving that a $19.99 value. Can't find it anywhere else, but it's a Battlbox exclusive, so we'll go with the $19.99 on this one. That brings their total stated value for the advanced kit, which costs $49.99 plus shipping, to $124.27. I came up with $125.32, so pretty close there. The next level of subscription level, Battlbox, is the Pro level at $99.99 a month. At the Pro level, you get everything in the lower levels plus some more stuff. This month, the more stuff is actually one thing. It's a real steel G5 Metamorph, and it's an exclusive Battlbox limited edition color. So it's a popular knife, a pretty nice knife actually. But you won't be able to get this anywhere but Battlbox. So, and it's I gotta be honest with you, I really like this knife, but it's a little weird for me. It's got a front flipper, and I hadn't figured that one out yet. I mean, it flips open, but I hadn't figured out how to do it with one hand. Maybe I'm just not good enough to do it. I can't. Okay, sort of can. It's almost like a Japanese styling blade. I really like the knife. It's super lightweight. It locks open really positively, but and with two hands, if I hold it down here, flick it open, it's really good. Nice pocket clip. It's just it is sweet. It really is. Maybe the front flipper thing is just me. This is it's really a weird. It's a 14C28N steel, so it's kind of not a very common steel, but anyway, I think it's a cool knife, and it's anyway they're giving that a $69.99 value. I found it in various online places, not Amazon, but other places, you know, blade stores and stuff, knife shops for 60 bucks or so. Some of them are out of stock, but not with this color. So anyway, that brings their total stated value for the pro level to $194.26. I came up with $185.32. The final level is a Pro Plus or Knife of the Month Club, which is $149.99 a month. This month, and for that price, you get everything plus some more stuff. This month, the more stuff is from CKRT, and it's kind of like a combo. It features this Viva tool, which is a, it's got a ball opener, multi-wrench, and a screwdriver, a little pry bar. Just one of those handy little things to have on you that you know you can use for different things, and you can kind of just hook that on your belt or whatever on a key ring, and it'll pretty much stay there. Sort of like a carabiner. It's got that. And a really cool knife, the Crossbones knife. I gotta say, I like this knife a lot. It's a really cool knife. Put those there where they look okay in the video. This is a really nice little knife. Super nice flipper, very positive lock. Really, again, Japanese looking styling, kind of samurai looking to me. But it's a super ultra lightweight knife. Man, this is like, and just, it is butter smooth. I like it a lot. And there, anyway, so we'll put him right there. They're giving this combo kit a $79.99 value. I found it for around $65 on Amazon. I couldn't find the kit, but the knife itself I found for $56.98, and then the Viva tool for $8.16. Which brings the total stated value for the Pro Plus kit this month to $274.25. I came up with $250.46. Again, the cost of this is $149.99 plus shipping. So, oh hey, one more thing. I think I got it. Okay, that was a quick look at the Battlbox Mission 43 EDC 3.0 box. And as always, my goal for making these Battlbox videos, or pretty much any review video, is just to try to help you make an informed decision about whether or not it's something you choose to spend your money on. Hopefully this has been enough detail and helpful for you to do that. If you do choose to explore it further, you can save 10% by using the coupon code below in the description of this video. Just going to thank the folks at Battlbox for sending me these boxes every month so I can show them to you. And it's always thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and every Saturday, and very often random videos throughout the week. There's another one right there. And if you're not subscribed, you click right down there in the corner, subscribe, click that little notification bell so you don't miss a single video. I really appreciate your support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time. I like this knife.